In this session, we are going to deal with replacement problems. How to apply these replacement kinds of problems in average based problems. So the first question in front of you is, the average weight of 4 boys is increased by 3 kg when one of them who weighs 120 kg is replaced by another boy. What's the weight of the new boy? So in these kinds of problems, total average of a particular group in terms of their ages or weight or height may be given. So you will have to find the new average when the replacement process being done. So or else sometimes they can also ask you with the old average and new average, you will have to find the correct weight of the person who is already inside the group or the new member who is joining the group and so on. So in this problem, you will have to find the new member whose weight exactly in terms of kilograms. 4 options you are having: 108, 122, 132 kg and D112. So these kinds of questions are very easy to handle and within 5 seconds you can answer. So first of all, you must know the concept first. The first thing, the average weight of 4 boys is increased by 3 kg. Just visualize these things. First of all, the group would have 4 persons like this. So initially the average for the group will be X. We don't know that average. So after the new person coming, the old person will go. At the same time the new person is coming. Now also there will be 4 members. There is no change in the number of members because one is going out and the same time another one is coming inside. Now what is happening? The average which is increased by 3 kg. So already if the average is X means now the average will become X plus 3. Here we are not going to consider about X. For your reference I have written simply. Now the point should be noted carefully over here is average means what? For every person plus 3 increases. How many persons? 4 persons. For this person plus 3, this person plus 3, this person plus 3. That is the meaning of average. When the average is increases, every member of the group will get increased by the weight. Or if the average is decreases, every member will be getting the decreased value. That is the meaning of average. Here for a group, it is increased by 3. That is the average means every member will be getting additional 3. That is the weight. So here plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many plus 3? 4 times. 4 into 3 which is going to be 12. 12 kg increased overall. While comparing to the old weight, 12 kg being increased. Why this is happening? Because of the entrance of new member and outgoing of the old member. So 12 kg what? Increased. Can write down. Increased 12 kg in overall. So which means new member weight will be equal to old member's weight plus 12 kg. That's all. If you know about the old member's weight, directly you can add up. It is clearly given. One of them who weighs 120 kg is replaced. Is replaced means he is going out. So who is going out? The weight of that person, old person, is 120. The new person's weight will be plus 12 kg. So simply new person's weight will be 132 kg, which is 132 kg, which is given in the option C. The next problem, the average weight of 8 women is increased by 2.5 kg. So in a group, there are 8 women. Their average weight will be, say, X. The same 8 women, out of that, one is going out and the same time another one is joined. Now the same 8 women numbers will be 8, which remains same. Then the average, which is increased by 2.5 kg. So X plus 2.5 kg increase. So this average increase or decrease will definitely reveal that for all the 8 women, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 will get increased. So what is the overall increase for the group is 8 into 2.5. Simply 4 into 5, which is equal to 20 kg increased overall. In overall, 20 kg increase due to what? The entrance of the new women. So we can say that new women is equal to old woman plus. If it is increase means plus. If it is decrease means you want to subtract the value. Here 20 kg is to be added with the weight of the old woman. So what is the old woman's weight? Which is given 56 kg. So is replaced. The keyword denotes the old woman. Old woman is 56. New will become additional 20. What is the weight of the new woman? 76 kg, and which is the answer given in option A. Third question. There are 50 students in the class. One of them weighing 50 kg goes away and a new students join. By this, the average weight of the class decreases by 1/4 kg. Find the weight of the new student. Directly you can find the answer. 50 students in the class. Previously the average was X. At present the average is decreases by 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg decreases for whom? For all the 50 numbers. So 50 into 1/4, which is equal to 25 into half or 12.5 into 1. Simply 12.5 kg reduced overall. So reduced means what will be the weight of the new person? New person is equal to old person minus this 12.5 kg. So what is the weight of the old person? Let's check it. 50 kg. The weight of the old person, which is 50 kg. So 50 minus 12.5 is the answer. 37.5 kg is the weight of the new person, which is given in option A. The average age of the group of 20% increases by 1.5 years. So let's start from the first statement. Average age of group of 20 persons increases by 1.5 years. So when two new persons join the group in place of two persons having age 49 years and 61 years respectively, this 1.5 average increase is happening when two of the members are going out. In their place another two is joining the group. So here 20 into 1.5, that is the overall increase. Let's find it. 20 into 1.5, which is simply 30. 30 years increased by the new persons. Let me say the A and B are the person who are going out. In their place C and D are the persons who are coming in. Due to these happenings, 30 years for the overall group been increased. Then the next point, here they have clearly stated these two persons' ages are 49 and 61 respectively. Now our work is what? Find the difference between the ages of two new persons. These two new persons' ages first is to be found. Then afterwards you will have to find the difference between their ages. So step by step we can solve these kinds of sums. So here first of all we have found the overall increase, that is 20 into 1.5, 30 years for the group has been increased. What is the meaning? Which means the C and D, the sum of their ages will be definitely 30 more than the sum of the ages of A and B. If you are able to sort out these things, then the next step is to get the final result. So here 49 and 61, what is the summation? 110 years. This is the sum of the ages of A and B. Even we don't know the exact ages of C and D, but sum of the ages of C and D will be 30 greater than the age of A and B together. That is 110 plus 30. What is the sum of ages of C and D now? 140. This is the only thing we can derive. However, we don't know the exact age of C and D. Why? Because there are so many possibilities. C may be 100 and D may be 40. C may be 80 and D may be 60. Like that, so many possibilities we are having until you read the final statement. For that, to clarify, the final statement states, find the difference between the ages of two new persons if age of the second person is 80% more than the first person. So, as of now, we have arrived at C plus D is 140. Now, stop up to this. Now, we can start from this point. Now, the age of C plus D, which is 140. We don't know the exact age. For that, the ratio will help us. So, here it is given, second person is 80% more than the first one. So, let me take the first person is C and the second person is D. He is 80% more than the first one, which means if C's age is 100%, D will be 80% more. More of 80% of out of 100 is 100 plus 80, 180%. That's all. Now, simply you can take the ratios. Percentage got cancelled, 0 got cancelled, 5 into 2, 10, 9 into 2, 8. Simply, the ratio of ages between C and D is 5:9. Now, total value we know that C plus D is 140. Now, take the corresponding ratio for that. What is the total of the ratio of their ages? 5 plus 9, 14. This 14 is corresponding to the 140 years. So, into what? Simply 10. So, 14 into 10, 140. Now, the ages of C is 5 into 10, 50. D is 90. The ages difference is 40. Or else you can directly take the ratio difference, 4 units. 14 units say 140. 4 units equal to what? 4 into 10, 40. Finally, answer for this question is difference between the ages of the new two persons are 40 years, which is given in the option A. The next problem, the average age of A, B, C is 84 years. When a new person D joined the group, average age becomes 80 years. A new person E whose age is 3 years more than D. First of all, you will have to find the exact age of D. From that, you will be arriving at E's age. A new person E whose age is 3 years more than D, replace A, and now average of BCD is 79 years. Find the age of A. Let's solve the problem step by step. The average age of ABC is 84 years. So here ABC or the three persons, their average is 84 years. Afterwards, when a new person D joined the group, average age become 80 years. So here 3 persons initially, afterwards while D is entering into the group, the average is becoming 80. 84 for 3 persons and 80 for 4 persons. So directly you can find the age of D by equating like this. 3 into 84. What is the sum of the ages? 3 into 80, 240. 240 plus 12, 252 years. When it was 3. While it coming to 4 members, the average is 80. 4 into 80, 320. 320 years. Here, the difference between these two values will become the age of the finally included person, that is D. This will become the D's age. So, 320 minus 252, here the difference is 50 and here plus 20, 70 minus 2, 68 years. D's age is 68. Let's make a note of it. D's age is 68 years. After that, moving on to the second statement, it is saying a new person E whose age is 3 years more than D. So, what is E's age? Which is given 3 years. So, 68 plus 3 is equal to 71 years. So, we got the ages, exact ages of two persons D and E. Replace A and now average of BCD is 79 years. This person E is replacing A. So, initially A, B, C, D, where in the group the average was just 80 years. When this E is replacing A, so E, B, C, D, now the group will be having, now the average is what actually? 79 years. So here you could draw the statement 1 year average is decreased. Average of 1 year decreased, that's all. So here 1 year decrease for the overall group. What is the meaning? For E 1 year, B 1 year, C 1 year, D 1 year. All the 4 into 1 year decrease minus 4. That is 4 years. Which is the decreasing level while A is replaced by E. Now our point is, what is the age of A? Old person. Old person age will become new person plus 4. If new person will be asking, you will be generally subtract the value. Here the requirement is to find A. A will be definitely 4 years more than E. So directly you can substitute what is E's age 71 plus A's age 4, which is equal to 75 years, and this is the exact age of A, which is given in the option C. In this session, we have dealt with replacement problems based on averages. In the next session, we are going to solve a new topic. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions.